Welcome to Network Gambit. My name is Sabir. This video I showing you how to solve your Wi-Fi connected limited. Okay viewers, please see this video and press your keyboard Windows plus R and now type devmgmt.msc and click OK. You can see device manager window. Now I select my Wi-Fi adapter and double click and click driver tab and disable device. Yes and OK. Okay, again double click my adapter and drive and re-enable device. Okay, I think your problem already solved. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks.